What's up, fellow YouTubers? This is Chucky Monster with Chucky Monster's Garage. I'm back again on a Sunday, working on the W900 wrecker. There's a lot of work to do to this kit. I finished the vet, and I showed you guys in the last episode, or the last show, or whatever you guys want to call it. That all I had to do was bare metal foil the roof and put the window in, so I did bare metal foil the roof. And there's the window. I'll put that in when I guess when I feel like it. So, I mean, this model has a lot. I mean, there's a lot to do to this thing. It's like, I'll show you right here. Everything in this, there's so many parts you gotta put together, I mean, in halves. So what that requires is putting it together, and then you're gonna have a seam line, which I always super glue my seam lines, and then I sand them down, and then if I see anything in there after primer, I put a little filler or something in there. So everything I put together first, and I super glue it, I let it dry, I sand it, and then I fill as required again. So I mean, and this isn't all the stuff that has to go in halves, and this required a lot of work, which it's done. I've sanded all the stuff off a lot of this stuff, and I go through how I build things. I actually go through my kit, and I take all the mold lines off and all the ejection holes and stuff like that. I'll fill them in, and I'll sand them out, and if they're good enough, I leave them, and if they're not, I go back over it. The sinkholes, like this one here had some, and I take care of that, and I go through and sand everything back down and out. And this required some work too, these rails, and I'm not so sure I'm going to go ahead and fill the other side of this, because I don't think I'll be lifting it up that much, but I might, I don't know. I mean, there's a lot to do on this kit, but I don't know if I'll make the deadline. I think everybody agreed on April or something like that, but I'm gonna try. I did pick up some other kits while I was out. I don't know if I showed a couple of these in my last video, but I picked up the Don Garlett's dragster. I bought it. It was used at Andy's. Well, it was brand new, but he bought somebody's stash, so I went ahead and picked this up. And there's another kit that I've been wanting for a while. The Hemi Under Glass. There you go. I like that kit. I've been wanting to build this for a while. And let me see, I got some other ones too. I bought the old 60 Chevy pickup. I have a 62 1/1 scale, you know, real one, 62 Chevy. I thought I'd pick up this. I think that little go-kart's kind of cool. You know, I'll be building that, so that's for sure. And all these I haven't opened. I'm gonna do some kit reviews coming up. Then I'm gonna start doing kit reviews. Maybe this week I'll do a kit review on something, you know. Maybe this, or maybe even this one. I finally got this one, guys. I bought this at Andy's too. I couldn't wait, you know, so I picked it up. But yeah, I haven't opened this either. I figure I'll see what everybody else sees when I open it. So I bought the 62 Buick Electra. I thought that would be kind of a cool car. Something different. And then I've been wanting this too, so, and I picked this one up. So I got some kit reviews coming up, so expecting some kit reviews. I can't wait to start building these. But like I promised everybody, I want to get a ways on this big rig, and then start something. I need to make sure I have some progress, some paint done, I can't just start something now, or else I'll never finish it. So, but yeah, I seen the Chicken Grease Garage video. I thought that was pretty cool. I haven't seen him in a while. I guess he's getting into Hot Wheels now. So I have been too, just for my grandkids. So I've been buying him a bunch of Hot Wheels, and you know, I have like a bunch of older ones put away. So I've even thought about, even before I seen the video, but the video kind of perked my ears a little bit about customizing a couple Hot Wheels. But right now I'm kind of like, I'm really wrapped up in the models and the grandkids, so I don't want to start another project. But and slot cars, I can't wait till it gets bigger. I seen somebody put a slot car video up, and I can't wait to get into that. I think about that all the time. That was like a passion of mine when I was a kid. Slot cars and train sets. I don't know if anybody else has had that passion. Model cars, of course, has always been my passion since a kid. But yeah, I can't wait till he's about 5 or something. I think I can set him down and start playing like that. Yeah, but he takes up a lot of my time, so that's why I'm a slow builder, guys. I'm sorry. I have to put him first. So, and eventually he'll be building too, and that'd be kind of cool. So, anyway, this video is already 7 minutes, and I thought I'd kind of do an update on this. I'm gonna work on this today. I've got a couple more hours, and then I'll have the little guy again. So for at least a couple hours, and then I'll be able to get back on the bench and get some more sanding and prepping done. I got a bunch to do. There's a lot of parts in this kit, so everybody's stuff is coming out nice. I've been watching all the videos. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna get going and end the video, I guess. Not much going on, but sand. Sand cod, Danielson, you know. So, all right, well, I gotta get sanding, guys. Take care, have a good rest of your Sunday, and have a good week next week. I'll talk to you guys next week. Take care, and I'm out. Bye.